Hello, hello, hello. Jennifer Sada here from the beautiful west coast of Ireland. I'm not from Ireland, by the way. I don't know if you can tell. I don't have an Irish accent. Well, I don't know. Maybe I do. But anyway, I'm not from Ireland. I just live here. Um, I have something very exciting and huge to share with you on how to create success in your life and in your business, no matter what your life looks like right now or what business you are in, or maybe you don't have a business even, okay? But this is a key, I don't know what to call it, it's key. It's a key. It's hugely important. It's number one. If anything, this is the only thing that you need to implement to create success in your life and your business, because I believe they both go together. Okay. You can't say, oh, well, I don't mix my life with my business. I mean, how can you do that? If you have a business, your business is your life and your life is your business, especially if you're working for yourself. Okay. So I don't believe it in don't mix business with pleasure, okay? Especially for us, entrepreneurs on the internet. You can't say, okay, it's 5 p.m. now, I'm going to stop inspiring people, okay? Or you can't say, oh, my friends are coming over now, I better stop talking about what it is that I do, and vice versa. But anyway, this is not what I wanted to talk about today. Is this key I was going to share with you, and you're going to love it. You're going to love this because this does not require, it's not complicated. It's not something that you have to learn. It's not something that you have to invest. Okay, it doesn't cost anything. It's something that you can implement straight away, starting today, and is essential to creating success in your life and business. And here it is, the number one, and okay, I'm lost for words. The number one thing you need to have to create success in your life and business is have fun. You need to have fun. You need to find a way to have fun in your daily routine that to incorporate into your life and into your business. You need to find a way to feel good no matter what. Okay, so what am I talking about? You have a daily routine. Maybe it's going to work. Maybe it's look after the kids. Maybe it's working on your business. You need to find a way to be excited about this. Okay. And I know you're going to say it's a routine. It's the same every day. It's tedious. It's boring. This is your life right now. You need to find a way to make it exciting. Okay. You need to find a way to make it exciting. Why? Because, well, first of all, it feels great, okay? Fun is fun, okay? So who does not want to feel good? Who does not want to have fun in everything that they do every day? Number two, what this is going to do, and this is very important, is by raising your vibration, by feeling better about what you do, you're going to attract more of what you want in your life. You're going to attract more of it is that you have desired, and it's already there, okay? You already know what you want. You've already voiced it. You already thought about it. Okay, maybe sometimes it's not clear, but it has been expressed. Okay, if you've been on this planet more than, I don't know, 15 years, okay, or maybe less, you already know what you want. Okay, you've expressed your preferences, you've expressed your desires in one direction or another. So by feeling good as much as possible every day, you're going to attract more of that into your life. Okay, now not only because it feels good, not because you're more attractive to people, people who are happy and positive, you're going to attract more of the same, of course, but also it's going to help you attract more of that is that you want in your life. So feel good. So for example, if you have to go to work every day, a job that you hate, with a boss that you hate and colleagues that you hate, can you find a way to find something positive about it? Okay, can you find something? Okay, today I'm going to do this at work all day. Okay, create a little game for yourself, or maybe say today I'm going to pay a compliment to every person that comes that I come across, okay, a genuine compliment, and see what happens. Okay, it's going to make you feel good, it's going to make them feel good, and it's going to change something into your daily routine. Or maybe you're a mother who has to look after children and you're saying, I don't have time for myself. I don't have time to, sit down and watch a movie. I don't have time to have a bath and relax because my life is based on providing to others. How about you find, and I know you already do as a mother, but how about you find some excitement? Sometimes I get so bored of doing the same daily routine. I was like, okay, I'm going to make dinner. I'm going to enjoy making dinner, and what would they like to eat tonight? And what if, and then one thing leads to another, or put some music on, find a way to incorporate some good vibration into your daily life, your business, even the work, even the job that you hate. Okay, so that is my insight. Please let me know if that makes sense to you, if it resonates with you, or if it's complete, I don't know, if it confuses you completely, okay, because I'd love to clarify that. Let me know. Please leave a comment below. You don't need to be, you don't need to have a YouTube. Oh yeah, you do. You do need to have a YouTube channel to leave a comment. So if you don't have one, just create one. It just takes a few seconds. All you need is to have a Gmail account. And then this way you can leave me a comment and then I can reply to you straight away. I promise I will do that. And then what you need to do is subscribe as well, if you haven't, to my channel, Jen TV. And while you're at it, you need to tick that little bell on the side because that will notify you of the next video available that I'm going to, where I'm going to share with you tips and tricks about how to create success in your life and business, no matter who you are, where you are, what you have, what you don't have, because I believe that you, if you're watching this video for the past 7 minutes, you already have what it takes. You already have what it takes to create the success that you want. Why? How do I know that? Because I don't know who you are. I don't know what you're made of. I don't know what experience you have. I don't know what skills you have. I don't know where in the world you are. But all I know is you're watching this video. You're watching something to inspire yourself, to educate yourself, and that means you have a desire, okay? You have a desire inside of you, that a desire to move forward, a desire to go somewhere, okay? You could be, online watching, I don't know, Netflix or, entertaining videos about cats and dogs and babies, but you're not. You're watching this instead. So that's how I know, okay? Maybe this is a very small indicator, but still, it is something. And this is the seed that I want you to grow over time, okay? So do tick the bell, the bell with the little hat. So this way, you will know about the next video that we'll be creating and sharing more and more about how you can create success in your life and business, because you don't have to be a celebrity nowadays to be an online success. All right, Jennifer Sada, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.